This is the hair. So cutesy. Hi, my lovely queens and kings. I'm about to get ready to go to Turks. Hey, hold on. My abs poking. I know that's right. My abs poking. Okay, for Turks, I literally leave, what, next Wednesday? Today is Friday, and I'm getting my hair done, but my color has grown out, so I gotta take my hair out today because I'm getting my hair dyed, and I'm looking to dye my brows too, y'all. I think I'm gonna do it. But it's gonna be cute though. I've just been seeing like a lot of ginger girls with ginger brows, so I was like, okay, let me just try for the one time because I have just been doing my natural color brows, so I was like, okay. But first order of business, I have to take this hair down. This is a sewing, so I just gotta cut it out. So let's do that. And I need to actually call Berries because Berries can make this into a half wig. And I'm not getting my hair done today. Like, I'm not getting like my Turks hairstyle today. I'm just getting my hair colored. But I do want to put this back in when my hair's done. So let me see if I can call the location to see if they can make this into a half wig today, you know? So let's see.
Hey, Garrison.
Hi, how are you?
Thank you, honey.
I'm good. That's good. I was calling to see if you guys made half wigs because I was just in contact with a lady. Her name is Charmy, and she said that y'all made, that y'all can do a half wig for me in like 30 minutes today. I'll see you at 2:30. Let's take this off my head. Okay, we are on the way to the hair place to drop off my Burmese curly. Oh, why my driver taking so long to get to me though? It must be traffic or something. Cause it said 5 minutes for like 10 minutes now. So what's going on? Let me go ahead and pack my stuff up though while we wait. Soft to the touch, let your hose on, let you get a handful, baby. She's a whole lot of woman. Soft kisses on some fat lips. It's yours, baby. You can crash it on me. Cash out on a video.
Want to make sure. So what I'm gonna do is put it on. Can I do a little like on your hand? This is better than on your face. Okay. Okay. On your face because you seem a little like nervous, and I don't want you to be nervous. Okay. And I don't want you to be like, that's all I want. No. We want you to be very comfortable and walk out of here with confidence. Not want to cry.
Huh?
Why you not getting the wax?
Cause I had already like cut up my brows a little bit.
Oh, you do your own sometimes, like with a little razor. Okay,
Just to clean it up sometimes.
If it's not long enough, it won't pull it. Anyway.
Yeah.
This. Put the QR code inside this, the waiver, because I done forgot. No, doing something new, baby.
Exactly, that's what she do.
No.
No,
I'm
good. But
cool.
I'm just saying, this is what she does.
This is great.
Make you step out the box, doing weird.
That's good though.
It's not weird. Why are you saying weird? Stop making the customer feel bad, girl.
Oh my god.
You make bad. Stop it.
Oh my god.
Okay, I do see the color lifting, right? I see the color, but I
make
was
sure
like,
all the hairs are covered. Like push the lightener in, yes, because you want it to sit, or some of her spots are gonna be. Whatever you see the black is gonna be black. So you gotta make sure it's covered all the way.
so you just want me to go back in and put more? Cause look at that.
I think
You can
so
see.
because her. You know what I'm saying? You gotta make sure everything is saturated.
Where's your little like? Or you don't have a little one, do you?
What?
No, we're just gonna use the stuff.
Yeah, that's why I was saying something like that, just like an applicator brush. Yeah, so go in and get the rest of the hairs underneath.
This is so funny. Mm-hmm.
For real, what your brows doing?
I'ma add. I feel like it's like right. I wonder if it could be the tint that I put on earlier. Like, you know? I don't know. What you think?
I mean, I feel like if we tint it, it's not gonna be crazy though, right?
No, it's gonna look nice. But I wanna know. Let me go in with a clean brush because I wanna know.
Okay, you only do it for who?
Trinity.
Thank you.
So brushing it is gonna let us like clear that part out, but I don't even think it's adhering to the skin. Like, you know what I mean? But we can wipe it because I'm gonna give you like an ombre anyway. So if anything, we just do like something like that.
Tint must happen really fast.
It does, but not really. I don't think this is tinting your skin for real.
Perfect. Okay, y'all. The brows are ginger. The brows are ginger. Oh my gosh. Then of course, hair to match. Color is on point, but I'm about to get my hair done in like an hour or two. Ooh, there's a lot going on right here. But yeah, about to get this Fulani installed. Let me show y'all the hair. It feels a little big though. I have to straighten this all the way down. Okay, let's try to put this on. I'm about to wine curl this. I'm trying to think like how can she can look hide behind the braids. I don't really know how this works, y'all. But I'm gonna wine curl this though. Because you see how the track is right here? I don't know how you're supposed to color that. I mean, like how you're supposed to hide that. But I don't know, we're gonna see. Okay, we're making progress. I did not realize this was 4 bundles. This is 4 bundles of deep curly, I believe, from A Shine Hair. This hair is really thick, which I love. But we're halfway through. He told me to come at 3 because my appointment was at 4, but it was like, we might as well get it done earlier. Nothing else to do. So I was like, okay, I can come at 3. So that means I need to be finished with everything by 2:30. It's 1:20 right now. So let me go ahead and try to finish this side as fast as possible so we can get going, honey. Turks ain't ready for my little booty. Okay, y'all.
So good, it's only hard to break the habit. You're like a whole constellation, swimming like you on vacation. Promise I'ma give it to you like you never had it. I do it so good, it's only hard to break the habit. You're like a whole constellation, swimming like you on vacation.
Y'all, my washer is going in the back. Like, why do you want to do that right now while I'm trying to record? Okay, but this is the hair. So cutesy. It's definitely thick, but it's okay. You'll make it through. I'm about to go through my orders real quick to see what I'm taking, and then we're gonna be back. Okay, y'all, we are about to go get our nails fixed. Well, not necessarily fixed, but I want a whole nother design. I just want it to be a little bit more tropical, because right now I just got a, you know, real cute, simple French tip. So I'm probably just gonna do like pink, orange, hot pink, orange, yellow, blue. I don't know yet, but something like that. It's so cold in my house, and I'm hungry too. Yo, and I just got sent so much PR. I'm like, okay, period. I need this right before the trip too.
Promise I'm still gonna love you when you wake up in the AM. I just wanna make time for you. Swear it's just right for you. Like this pussy designed for you. 10 out of 5 on you. Know I was 10 on the line for you. Bet I look nice on you. Open my mind for you. Don't wanna wait on it tonight. I wanna get nasty. Don't wanna wait on it tonight. I wanna get nasty.
Okay, y'all, I have laid out some stuff that I already, you know, pulled out. I packed some stuff already. Packed my makeup, and then some underwear, and then some sleeping clothes, and then most of my outfits are right here. They're super cute. I'm about to post a haul of like most of my outfits so y'all can see what I got and try it on, all of the things. Girl, because it's just so much stuff. But my bag is looking very colorful. Got some products right here. Cute bag. I don't even know if I'm gonna wear all of this, but yeah, we gonna see, okay? Also, y'all, I did go get my laser hair removal today, but that girl was rushing. I couldn't even pull my phone out to give y'all a sneak peek. She was just like, zoop, zoop, gone. I'm like, oh, okay, well, thank you. I couldn't even show y'all me getting a laser because laser, it hurt. I don't care what nobody say. It definitely hurts, but I've only got waxed once before, and that hurt too. So I don't really know. I can't really tell you the difference because they both 10 out of 10 pain. But I think once you consistently, like, once you keep going, maybe the pain will dial down a little bit. But babe, it'd be a lot for me. But y'all, my brows are done. Hair is done. It's tied up right now because I need my edges laid down. Okay? But, girl, we about to go to Turks Caicos. Okay? But yes, y'all. The next video, y'all either gonna see the haul or y'all gonna see another haul. I've actually recorded like 2 different hauls, but y'all gonna see a haul soon. I will see y'all on the next video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Your girl is ready for Turks Caicos. Okay, I'm gonna be there for a whole week. This is very much needed. Okay, but I love y'all so much. I will see y'all later. Bye.